The Lone Star State has certainly seen its fair share of destructive hail events already this severe weather season. Here's an example early in the month of April where baseball to softball sized hail destroyed numerous cars, homes and businesses in the city of Marble Falls, Texas. Once again here deeper into severe weather season, the threat for hail is going to loom large. We have a level 3 out of 5 severe weather threat from central to northeast Texas into the deep south. That is primarily a concern for that very large hail, in addition to perhaps some damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour and a few tornadoes. These are all most intense in a specific kind of storm called a supercell. That's your normal storm rising through a cooler atmosphere, but it is in an environment with a lot of wind shear, changing wind speed and direction with height. As it rotates, it can support larger hailstones. Again, a supercell is the worst kind of storm you can get in severe weather season here in Texas. In an updraft, especially one that's rotating, hail stays aloft for longer, getting surrounded by supercooled water droplets that eventually grow layer by layer onto that ice, turning into large enough hailstones that can no longer be supported by the updraft. Then they fall down towards the surface. Stronger the updraft, bigger the hail. You can start off easy enough. Updraft velocity 24 miles per hour, pea-sized hail. Anything over 50 miles per hour vertically through the atmosphere can support hail up to the size of quarters. Then damage starts to get worse. Golf ball-sized hail, baseball-sized hail, or even softball-sized hail or larger is possible when you have an updraft velocity over 100 miles per hour. We're able to tell ahead of time what the atmosphere is capable of by seeing what the CAPE in the atmosphere looks like. This stands for convective available potential energy. It quite literally stands for the amount of energy available for storms to tap into should they develop. More CAPE, stronger storms, bigger hail. Today's CAPE is off the scales, which is why we are concerned for large hail on a pretty widespread basis. Along a cold front, along a dry line, these storms erupt right in the heat of this hot afternoon air, and they come towards central Texas and southeast Texas thereafter, each one capable of hail larger than baseballs in diameter. I'm Avery Tomasco reporting.